All right, well, just give you a little update of where I am on the road and what's going on with me. I have this going on. So here's the current state of my home. Sitting up on 4 jacks because one of the wheels came completely off the axle, which is right there. Just broke clean off. It's right over here. There's the actual axle. So I got to get a replacement now. It did not happen while I was driving. Luckily, it happened because I bent the axle hitting a pothole coming into a campsite, BLM. And it completely broke it. And I had a guy spot weld it on. And he told me it was totally good. But you can see where it broke clean right here. He only got it a couple places. So, yeah. I'm currently kind of parked up on a friend's place that I met on the road, and he's gonna help me, luckily, get a replacement axle. And yeah, kind of sucks, but you know, it is what it is. It can happen to anybody, anywhere. But yeah, life on the road is not always glamorous.